The sun is very bright today. I will take an orange. Noah! The skin is very bumpy. It smells very fresh. This white part is called pith. I separate the segments. Whoa! Look how juicy it is. The taste is very sweet.
I like this flavor.
It is a bit sticky. It is a tasty snack. It is nice outside. The sun feels warm. Oranges are healthy. I am finished now. Woohoo! My hands are clean. The day is beautiful. I feel energized. Time to go inside. The bowl is empty. I will wash the plate. It is clean now. Whew. People are walking. I put on my shoes. My hair is tidy. I am going for a walk. The air is fresh. The street is quiet. I walk slowly. It is cool in the shadow. Hi, neighbor. Welcome to our garden. That is a happy dog. The park is empty. This flower is red. Red. It smells very good. A bluebird is flying. There is a light breeze. The clouds are fluffy. That is a fire hydrant. The cat is watching me. Hello, little cat. I am turning the corner. I see my house. I am almost home.
I am home now. Sarabur Siriwas.
I take off my shoes. The living room is quiet. I will sit in this chair. I am relaxed now. I will read my book.
The story begins here.
I like reading. I am a little thirsty. The water is cool. I continue reading. The story is interesting. What time is it now? I will finish reading later. I stand up. I go to Budak and Farin. What is in the fridge? I see apples. Aww. I take a red apple. I wash the apple. I pupil. I dry it with a towel. It is crunchy. It tastes good.
I walk back. I sit down again. Hola, wow.
It was a lovely day.